Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin watch to a laptop. First, locate the USB data cable that came with your device. Plug the smaller end into your Garmin watch and the standard USB end into an available USB port on your laptop. Your watch should immediately show a charging or data transfer indicator, confirming a physical connection has been established. This initial step is crucial for all subsequent data transfers and software updates. Next, you will need to install Garmin Express, which is essential for managing your device. Visit the official Garmin website and download the Garmin Express application for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This software acts as the bridge between your watch and your computer, handling everything from activity uploads to important software updates for your device. With Garmin Express installed and your watch connected, open the application. If it's your first time, the software will guide you through adding your device. Once your watch is recognized, you will see options to manage it. To transfer your latest activities and ensure your watch has the newest features, simply click the Sync button. This process usually takes only a few moments, depending on the amount of data. Sometimes, you might encounter minor connection issues. If your watch isn't recognized, first try using a different USB cable, as cables can sometimes fail. Also, attempt plugging it into another USB port on your laptop. A simple restart of both your Garmin watch and your laptop can often resolve many common problems. Finally, always ensure your Garmin Express software is updated to its most recent version for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.